Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today I'm here to guide you on how to create a Google News shortcut on your desktop, allowing you to stay updated with the latest headlines in just one click. If you find this tip helpful, please subscribe for more tech advice. Alright, first of all open your web browser. So I'm gonna open the Google Chrome browser and typing on the start menu Chrome, pressing on enter. And normally you have to type on the address bar news.google.com. So I'm going to type news.google.com, pressing on enter. And after then you will see an option on the top right corner, 3 dot. Normally click on that icon and then hover over cast, save and share. And you will see an option to create a shortcut here. Normally click on that and click on create. It will automatically create a shortcut for Google News and you will see it on your desktop. And normally if you click on this shortcut, it will automatically redirect you to news.google.com. There are two more ways to create a shortcut or an app. So normally if you want to install it like an app, normally click on this desktop icon when you are visiting news.google.com. And I'm going to click on here, normally click on install. Or if you can't find any option like this, normally click on this 3 dot again and here click on cast, save and share, and here you will see an option install Google News. Click on that and click on install and it will be opened like an app interface. On the other hand, if you want to create a shortcut with an other way, then normally right click on your desktop, choose new and from here select shortcut. And here paste the URL of news.google.com. I'm pasting here news.google.com. Press on next. And here you can give it a name. I'm giving it a name Google News. So that's it. Actually, I have made a mistake. That's not a problem. Alright, now we know how to create shortcut and Google News app from our desktop. You now have Google News readily accessible from your desktop, making it easier than ever to catch up on the news. I hope you found this tip useful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Mr. TechFox for more straightforward tech tutorials. Allah Hafiz.